Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I am back with some latest updates about the Samsung Galaxy S11 series. We will be talking about the release date, battery capacity and everything else that has been revealed to us until now. And most importantly, the cell phone that you are seeing right now on the screen is clearly not the Galaxy S11. It's my daily driver Samsung Galaxy A30s. However, we have some images of Samsung Galaxy S11, so I will be sharing those with you guys in this video. But guys, before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe the channel as we are very close to 1000 subscribers, and smash that like button. I will be keeping a like aim of 10 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target. Okay, now coming back to the S11 news, so it's confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 series will be released on the 18th of Feb 2020 in the United States of America, and the most important highlight about these devices will be their battery capacity and the camera. Talking about the battery, the Samsung Galaxy S10 had a battery capacity of 3400 mAh, but this time Samsung is definitely turning things around and the S11 series will be having larger battery capacities. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S11 will have a battery capacity of 4500 mAh, whereas the Galaxy S11 Plus will have a battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which is really awesome. Now let's discuss some things about the camera. So the S11 series is expected to have a 108 megapixels camera sensor, and the most amazing leak is that these devices will have a 8K video recording option. If this news is true guys, then it will take video recording to a whole new level. And the last and the most important news about this series is that it will be having Snapdragon 865 processor. That's all I have for you guys in this video. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video, then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button and help me achieve that like aim. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.